Hey, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special birthday collab. The Charm Sisters and I have cooked up a birthday extravaganza for Miss Carina. Now, for anybody who doesn't know, Carina is our representative from Madam Glam. And just so happened that me and the Charm Sisters all have the same wonderful representative. So with her birthday coming up, which is today, March 30th, we thought no better way to celebrate her birthday and to show her how much she means to us than doing a special hand-painted gift. So this is for you, Carina, honey. And for everybody watching, please make sure that you don't forget to head over to Mama Does Nails and Priya K's Nails channels, because they will have gorgeous birthday sets and collab videos up for Miss Carina. So let's get into all of the magic. So it's really amazing to be even sitting here right now making this video with you beautiful humans. When Carina first reached out to me, it was almost exactly a year ago. So it's really amazing to be even able to say we are most definitely not only still working together, but that working relationship has got even stronger from that first email to how comfortable I feel now that I could literally say, this is a nail sister, this is a friend, like I can truly turn to her. And I just feel so blessed to have that kind of working relationship. She is so incredibly uplifting. We talk about our fur babies. Like, it's so amazing. When I reached out to her about this idea that I wanted to do a birthday set and the sisters and I wanted to do something special for her, she actually said, like, she started sending me pictures of her puppy, which is a beautiful pupper named Oxy. And she wanted the set to match Oxy's collar, which had gorgeous gradient of pinks, and there was like, it almost looked like clouds on the collar. It was absolutely stunning. So with the theme of pink gradient, in wanting to honor her baby Oxy, this is the gorgeous set that I came up with. So all the colors used, I will show either the bottle or it will be in the description box below. But there is 3 stunning colors, and when they come up, I will show them to you. They are from the Friends and Family collection, and those were sent out by, oh my gosh, I just want to hug you, our purple priestess, Miss Envy. So this is, as I was saying, a collab. So I'm going to urge you guys, as soon as this is over, please run over to Priya K's Nails, Mama Does Nails pages, because the sets they do are so darling, and I'm going to include pictures of those sets in the end of this video. Now, a very popular trend that's going around is this blush nail, and I could not resist. I thought, you know, what better way to do a portrait of Oxy than have this glow, this blush. So this is how we're starting off this gorgeous portrait. We have to get the background correct, right? So let's snatch this blush and get into the gorgeous puppo, the puppuccino, Miss Oxy. Now I am going to be showing pictures, and y'all, Oxy is the sweetest. She even has like a bomber jacket, and I know that Carina is the best dog mamo, I'm used to saying puppo, the best fur mom, because I can just see in her little puppo's eyes, just, you can tell when a baby, because I call them, they are our children, when they're taken more than well care of. So, oh look, these are the pictures. You can just see she is so sassy and sweet, and it just, as soon as Carina shared these pictures, I just felt so warm inside, and I just wanted to make sure that I truly honored Carina and her beautiful puppy Oxy. So this one is for the both of you. Carina, honey, I hope you have such a magnificent birthday filled with so much love, cake, presents, all of the magic, sweetheart, because you deserve the world. You're always so hardworking, making sure that you open up doors and opportunities for us. Like, I feel like there's such an open communication. I can come to you about anything. And whenever I share the content and artwork that I make for Madam Glam, you are just so uplifting and just so lovely. And I am just blessed to have you in my world. And again, to be able to call you my nail sister, my friend. I'm just so blessed. So Carina, honey, I hope you love this birthday set because I made it with my entire heart. So the mapping out of Oxy, this was just such a unique way of drawing because I wanted to use the gorgeous pink background as actual like reference. So the parts that peek through that are pink, I am going to go in with the colors from the Friends of Family collection, the Boston collection, the Boston Gel Patty, and add those gorgeous grays, browns, creams so that I can create dimension for the fur. And those were the gorgeous colors. Thank you, Envy, for sending out those 3 amazing nudes from the Friends and Family collection. I wouldn't be able to snatch this set the same without it. I'm also trying the brand new palette that I got from Temu, and I will be doing the gorgeous art with brushes from Madam Glam and nails by Nicole J. Oh my gosh, so I just froze for a second because the palette, y'all. Okay, this palette, you guys are going to get to see more of me than you usually get to see. You are going to get to see my serious face when I am doing art. You're going to see my eyes looking up and down like crazy, watching my reference image, looking at beautiful Oxy, and then looking back down on the nail. It's too funny, but it just warms my heart because you can see the passion, and nails, it means everything to me. And being able to network and make the connections that I've been able to make through something that was just a hobby that turned into a complete passion, I just feel so incredibly blessed. So there's no embarrassment. I am totally down. I'm just sorry if you guys have to look at my nostril. But I really love this palette. It helped so much. I didn't have to keep on running over to my large palette. I just had everything on my little phalange that I needed to snatch Oxy. So I'm dipping into Madam Glam's gel paint to carve out Oxy's adorable little, I was going to say they're the body, but Oxy's adorable head and bodice. So I'm just going to continue mapping that out, and I will be back. So I actually ended up using my practice hand there on the corner on the left as a rest for my palette. It ended up working perfectly. Now, Carina sent these adorable mini polishes, so I thought I would bust out that perfect white and do the accents on her little puppo's eyes. So let's get into that magic. Nail Sister roll call. I have to give a special thanks to Miss Mama D, Danelle. Thank you for sending this gorgeous glow-in-the-dark glitter from Vetsy. I am sugaring. Now, I should have used a no-wipe top coat instead of the rubber base, but I was so in love with the thickness of the rubber base that I used it throughout so many steps on these nails today. But for reference, anybody that's sugaring their own nails, you should put a no-wipe top coat and then sprinkle that baby, unless you're going to encapsulate. So if you're going to encapsulate, then you can totally do the steps as I've shown. But this glitter is glow in the dark, y'all. So we will also be showing you the gorgeous glow as Miss Oxy just sits there perched in the middle, ready for Mama to give her treats and to go out for birthday extravaganza fun. Carina, honey, I hope you're having a blast watching this. And I just want to let you know from the bottom of my heart, thank you for everything that you've done for me. And Madam Glam is so incredibly lucky to have you as a representative. And I'm so very lucky to have you as a representative. I pray that you just have the most magical birthday and that the sets that the Charm Sisters and I have done for you touch your heart. Have a very happy birthday, sweetheart. And now, after all of that hard work, you must seal in all of the goodness with my favorite top coat from Madam Glam, the No Wipe Top Coat. I cannot get over how stunning the pink gradient, and I had to add some purples in there. The marble is so delicate, and I would not have been able to achieve that so effortlessly without that sponge. So that sponge is a game changer, y'all. And I know that I showed a little clip of me cleaning it. That's only because I wasn't given the disposable ones, so I want to try to keep it as clean as possible because the way this marble nails turned out, y'all, I am obsessed. I hope you have loved this video for Carina for her birthday. Hey honey, I hope you have the most beautiful birthday. And please head over to Priya K's Nails so you can see this stunning, whimsical, magical birthday set with dreamy pinks and purples. So run over there so you don't miss any of that amazing content. And don't forget to also head over to Mama Does Nails so you can see the stunning set that she created for Carina with gorgeous gold and gradients of pinks and purples. Oh, my nail family, it is always so amazing to get to spend any time with you. I'd love to know what you think about this set in the comments down below. And if you have any ideas for future videos or things you'd like me to test out, just comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so very much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. And remember, do all things with love. Mwah.